not underestimate what God can accomplish to those who really trust in Him. Nagkakaintindihan? Minsan, akala natin, ganito lang ako, hindi ako gagamitin ng Diyos. No, you're wrong. The reason why I'm telling you this, because each one of us, we are so special to God. When He created us, He has great minds for all of us. He knew we were created with a purpose. We are created to bring honor and glory to Him. Kaya, hindi dahilan yun, parang hindi ako mali ka. Kanya lang, kaya tayo minsan hindi tayo makaalagwa. No, hindi tayo maka-breakthrough. Ang dami nating mga problema, ang dami nating mga digmaang hinaharap. We battle against our insecurities. We battle about our finances. We battle about our problems with our families. We battle in school. We battle in our workplace. We battle physically. We battle